Kindly introduce yourself.
I am Prisha Rai. In class 10 boards, I have scored 491 marks out of 500 and my overall percentage is 98.2%.
Congratulations on your result. How was your reaction after seeing that?
Thank you so much. I was very amazed. I was overwhelmed with joy. All sorts of emotions were flowing out when I saw my result while I was calculating my percentage, and after all, I was very happy.
Please tell us something about your family background.
My father is a telecom engineer. He runs his own firm in which he is the CEO, and my mother is director in that company. Both of them come from a very humble background, and they have always taught me about the importance of education and being self-dependent.
Please tell me about the stream that you are targeting.
I have taken non-medical with computer science in class 11th.
Okay. What was your strategy to score above 95%?
The only strategy to score above 95% in class 10th boards is to be consistent, do intensive revision and practice previous year questions.
Did you take any online or offline coaching?
No, I did not take any online or offline coaching. I believe in self-study and all what is taught from the school.
Who encouraged you the most in this journey?
All my teachers, my parents were the best source of motivation, encouragement for me all throughout 10th.
What was your routine during the CBSE board exam preparation?
I used to wake up at 5 in the morning. I used to practice a lot of previous year questions, sample papers, and then I used to analyze my mistakes, out of which I became prepared day after day.
What are your future plans? Which career path are you aiming?
I want to pursue engineering and from the best institutes of India.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Are you planning to begin preparing for any entrance exam?
Yes, I am planning to begin preparing for JEE Advanced in 2027 probably.
What is your dream college or institute?
I want to get into IIT or NITs, but basically all the best colleges of India.
How about your future goals?
I want to pursue engineering from best institutes of India.
Now, please share some tips for students preparing to appear in CBSE board exams 2026.
Only tip is that you need to be consistent, you need to do hard work. Always believe that hard work pays off no matter if you're getting low grades in the beginning, as I used to get in the initial UTs, class tests. But after all that pays off in the last. And always give importance to language subjects because they are very important, very prominent for holding your percentage.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.